Hi everyone, this is Saza, your Bicolana Dream Home Finder in Pampanga. And we are here inside Clark, the highly secured place here in Pampanga. And I'm gonna show you this house for leasehold dito sa Sun Valley. And by the way, the Sun Valley, kung mga mahilig kayo mag-golf, meron tayong malapit na golf course sa area. And also, that international Singapore School. Yan yung pinaka mga landmarks. Siyempre, napakalapit na natin sa Clark International Airport na yan. Dala ko yung mug ko kasi papakita ko sa inyo yung may mga areang napakasarap mag-coffee. And this area, I'll start here. Ito yung carport natin. And then this side, meron pa ditong storage. And then para sa drivers, kung meron kayong drivers. So, ganun dito sa Sun Valley. Parang vacation house nyo at the same time. Very private na place din talaga para sa inyo. And this one naman, meron kasi tayong ditong door. Ito para sa mga helpers natin. Ayan, tapos may sarili din siyang toilet and bath. Ngayon kasi nilagyan itong mga shelves. Dito lang siya. Access agad. And then this kind of villa, mga 3 floors siya, and then modern, industrial yung pagka-tayo sa kanya or pagka-build sa kanya. As you can see, itong mga stucco finish na to. Yung mga design ng staircase, grayish and unfinished wall sa isang bahay. And from here, we've reached yung pinaka-perfect spot for coffee, either in the morning or in the afternoon. Nasa around magpo-4 na at this time. And as you can see, hindi ako pawis kasi dito sa Sun Valley nga napaka-presko ng hangin. Ito yung makukuha nyo kapag dito kayo nakatira. Pakaganda din tignan ng Mount Arayat, yung ganon. Relaxing kapag dito kayo nakatira. And at the same time, as for this one, meron tayong irregular shape ng lote pero na-maximize nila kung paano gamitin yung corner na to. So you have a different kind ng swimming pool, infinity pool sa side na yan. And to add some privacy, syempre naglagay tayo ng mga plants. Look at your pool. Hindi siya maliit, napakalaki pa rin ng pool nyo. So kinuha yung pinaka-corner ng lote to put your own swimming pool. Diba? Ang ganda pa rin. And since I am here na, you have here a outdoor preparation area or i-covered lanay na rin para sa mga nag-e-enjoy ng swimming pool natin over here. I'll show you na lang. So you have kitchenette dito. And then this door, since let's show them yung clips ng another additional parking. Ito yung access directly from your carport sa labas. Tapos may gate and then itong door na to. Yan. Dito na sila dadaan. Siyempre yung mga tumitira sa gantong place dito sa Pampanga, yung sila usually mga may driver na. Now, I'll show you again this path papunta sa pinaka-main main entrance. And then as you can see, we have a huge size for your lot area. Kaya medyo malaki din talaga yung nilalakad ko. Right? It's nice. Kasi expect nyo na malaki yung mga rooms and we have ilang rooms. And right here, and by the way pala, may touch ng Korean talaga yung bahay kasi ito nga, bago pumasok, na pinaka-main door, may cabinets na dyan for mga sapatos. Ayan. So this one naman, pagpasok natin ng main door, kita niyo pa rin yung labas. Well, sa mga gantong bahay naman, you can add some sheer curtain or blinds or blackout curtain to talagang kung gusto niyo may privacy talaga yung pinaka-loob ng bahay niyo, especially kung gusto niyo talaga ng pinaka-private. Yan. Kasi puro salamin yung halos yung wall. Pero at the same time, ang ganda kasi ng ganyang view. Let me put my mug muna dito. Kasi ito na yung pinaka-receiving area nyo, living area. Your very spacious living area. Ayan, ganyan ako uupo, ganyan kalalaki yung inilagay nilang furnitures for your living room. And then may mga ginamit sila for the house na mga galing pang Yung iba galing Korea talaga, yung mga in-import nilang gamit. Ganda nito. Pentagon. Since that's your living area, ito na pwede yung entertainment wall natin. And ang maganda sa bahay na to, meron siyang sariling office. Pero could be another room. Pero sa ngayon kasi ginawa nilang office. Ayan. It's all over here. Pwede pa siyang rooms kasi nga ganun pa rin siya kalaki. At may sarili siyang toilet and bath. Tapos may aircon din siyang sarili. Pero ngayon wala siyang door. And we still have another powder room para sa mga guests talaga natin na hindi na makiki-access sa mga rooms. So, this is it. Powder room siya na malaki. Powder room na malaki. Going to this area is your pinaka-formal kitchen. I can say U-type na yung kitchen nyo. Tapos parang ito, yung island countertop. Double as, ha? Yeah. Yung island countertop nyo, double as preparation area. And napakaganda ng materials na ginamit nila. Granite. Ang ganda pati ng kulay. Yun. Sa mga ilalim niya rin, cabinets. Yung dami-dami. Ito naman. Ito digas na to. Pero good thing. For a 3 burner. Ayan. And mga cabinets din. Diba? Kung naging familiar kayo sa movie na Parasite, parang ganun yung feeling ng bahay na to kasi more on glass. Korean din kasi yun eh. And over here, your dining area. And sa dining area nyo, may sariling aircon din. 8-seater na dining area. Kahit yung mga chairs niya, iba yung design. And another one. Ito yung kung nasan ako kanina para sa mga nagsuswimming tapos gusto nila nasa labas lang sila. This is the area for them. Yung mga nag-e-enjoy talaga, may enjoy nila yung area na yun kasi parang may sarili siyang corner doon. Napaka-open space tapos parang malapit ka lang sa nature. Ganun yung feeling dito sa Sunset Valley. Anyway, let's go upstairs. Medyo, yung pagka-layout ng bahay, we have, pag-akit natin ng staircase, naka-left and right yung pwede nating matignan. Or ipapakita ko sa inyo, parang nakahati kasi yung bahay. I'll see you upstairs. Medyo maikli lang naman yung hagdan. Pero ang ganda nito kasi both side mayroong access. Hinati nga yung bahay. Sa second floor, we have your second bedroom din. Ganito siya. So, yung ibang rooms talaga may pagka-irregular shape. So, this is where your headboard goes. Ito pwede pang vanity or study area. Diyan, another cabinet. And then, this side is your entertainment wall. And lahat ng rooms, ganito naman yung aircon nila. Kahit sa ground floor. And to add some natural ventilation or light, they have this parang balcony pa ba to? Pero you have this if you want a natural air or just a moment to chill. Close ko lang. Over here yung pinaka walk-in cabinets mo. Dito pa nga pwede maglagay ng another cabinet, built-in cabinet pa. Though you have a large 4-doors cabinet na. Ayan. Lalaki ha. And medyo nakatago din yung pinaka-shower area. Ayan. Your sink, toilet, then your shower area. Over here. Yan. Tapos may enclosure siya. And mataas hanggang ceiling. Yung glass niya. That's it, no? It's nice. Diba tayo? This is your second bedroom, no? Going here, ito yung pinaka-dulo or pinaka-end ng property. Ay na lang. Pero anyway, yung itsura ng room na to, parehas nung nasa third floor. Pakita ko na lang. As in, parehas lang. Yan yung corner. Moving to the other side or right side, from the staircase, ingat lang. Dito tayo. This is your area for your primary bedroom. Yes, so primary bedroom nasa second floor. But we still have third floor. Wow, ang laki. So sa corridor natin pagpasok ng main door ng primary room, eto na yung makikita nyo. So yan ang cabinet. So for upgrades, bahala na kayo kung ano yung gusto nyo. Pero this is it. Ang laki, ang spacious. You have your sink over here, a large mirror. Ito, to put other accessories, yung mga pang blow dry ng hair, curling iron, di ba? And syempre, meron tayong shower area. Dito naman yan. Ayan. Ay. You have your sink, toilet, and then ito shower area. Laki. Ang spacious. And I like this one, yung ganito, yung pantay yung nasa floor, hindi naka mini step or elevate ng konti. Kumbaga pantay lang lahat ng floor. And this one, another big room. Anong size na to? More than ibang klaseng king size na siya. Pero it looks small pa rin talaga kasi ganun kalaki yung... Actually, yung primary bedroom niya parang more than 40 square meters. Including balcony and then ito. More than. Ganun siya kalaki. And labas ako dito. Palabas ako. Palabas. Ipapakita ko. Napakalaki ng sliding door na to. This one kasi, ay wow, ang ganda ng shape. Ang ganda ng shape pala ng balcony. Yung, kung ano yung shape ng swimming pool. Ito yung my point of view. Ang ganda ng swimming pool. Let's show them this area. Ang ganda niya. Yun pala siya. And then, that's the Singaporean school. Kung yung anak niyo, mga bata po. Yan. International school yan. And not just that, you have another balcony naman, which is yung front ng property ang view niya. Oh, fresh air. See? Another coffee spot. Pero syempre sa owner na ng room na to. This is primary room. And we still have a moment. Close ko lang. We still have one floor to check. And this one naman, ito yung emergency exit natin. Pakita ko pa ba sa inyo? Ay. Yan. Ooh! Ito siya. Now, to access naman yung second floor natin, dito naman siya, sa right. Sa right from ground floor staircase. Now, we are down to your third floor. And before I continue, for those who haven't subscribed yet, you can follow us on all our social media pages, Next Level Properties. Dito ulit tayo sa left side ng bahay. Next room. So, kumbaga parang parehas tonong nasa second floor. Kaya ipapakita ko sa inyo yung isang room na hindi natin nabuksan kasi na-lock. Ito, cabinet, may vanity, and then may toilet and bath din siya. Lahat ng toilet and bath ganito. May sarado, may enclosure, may sarado. Itong next room, para alam nyo yung itsura niya. So, it's like this. Yung corner. Ayan. Dito kitang-kita yung Singaporean school. Tapos may sarili kang balcony for this one. And then, this side yung toilet and bath niya and cabinet. Medyo parehas din nung isang room sa kabila. Ganito siya. Diba? Pero lahat malalaki. Kasi nga, the house sits at 400 square meters then for the lot. Alright. Now, to the other side, we have another room. 2 rooms. So, sa ground floor, we have 1 room. Sa second floor, we have 3. And then, primary bedroom, andon. For your third floor, meron tayong 4 bedrooms. So, you have total 8 bedrooms for this house. Nag-recap na ako for that. Oops. I'm a wind! Show them this. Ito. Ito munang room na to. Ayan. Diba? Na-maximize yung mga shape ng rooms. Pero still spacious rooms, no? You have your cabinet over here. Oh! You have your cabinet over here. And then, a toilet and bath. Ay, ito naka-glass lang, partition na. Hindi na siya enclosure. Yan. Now, this one could be another primary room or junior master suite. Let's start over here. My left side is yung cabinet area niya. And then this side, buksan natin yung ilaw. Vanity. And then, naka-separate yung toilet and bath. Ay, malawak to. And malinis. I mean, ayan, dahil iba yung sink. So, parang malinis siya for me. Then, this side yung shower area niya. May pagkaiba din. Wow! Kumbaga yung primary bedroom sa baba, yung buong size ng 2 bedrooms sa right side, ito, hinati nila. Pero still spacious. And the view. I like it. Labas tayo siguro to do a quick recap. Kahit medyo nabanggit ko na kanina. Alright. This is modern industrial, pero may mga... Ito iba yung facade kasi niya. Anyway, for the quick recap, this house is located here at Sun Valley inside Clark. And then this one is available for leasehold. You have a 8-bedroom, separate for your maid's room and driver's room. You have your own swimming pool as well, and you have a total of 4 carport for your vehicle. And the house comes semi-furnished. Future homeowners, let's move beyond the open budget myth and focus on what truly matters, finding the home that's right for you. Again, this is Azaya Bicolana, Dream Home Finder in Pampanga. See you on the next video.